Hello everyone, and welcome to my session about the Super App Evolution at PlatformCon 2023. I'm glad you could join me today. My name is Max Couten. I am Director of Engineering at Flo Health. Since many of our teams at Flo transform into platforms, I decided to share the history of this journey from the beginning to the current state. I will stress key milestones, show how they were connected to the business strategy, and how a combination of planned and organic changes led to the platform ecosystem. A few words about Flo Health. Flo was founded 8 years ago with the mission to build a better future for female health. Flo supports women from their first menstruation to menopause. And today, Flo is the leader in the health and fitness category among all mobile applications. Before I deep dive, let's address a few disclaimers. There is no playbook on how to build a successful platform. Our experience is unique with our benefits and disadvantages. Today's talk aims to describe our experience not in a prescriptive way, but with reasoning why and some generalization. So, let's start from the foundation for any platform investment market fit. That date we operated as a single flat team consisting of mobile engineers, content specialists, and medical advisors working directly with the CPO. Our primary goal was to survive and only then scale. It was a crucial step before investing in platforms. After the market fit, Flow became a habit product, as it based on human natural cycle. However, monetizing the tracker function was challenging because we had a lot of competitors. We needed to provide additional value on top of the core experience. That is why we chose the super app strategy, which involved developing multiple domains simultaneously, bringing added value and monetizing them. To address the business strategy, we adopted an engineering one. We hired only DevOps-minded engineers to accelerate independent domain development. We used inner sourcing as the primary interaction model for shared components and tools across teams. We use backend-driven UI and data mesh to accelerate experimentation. To reinforce our strategy, we established the first platform teams: data platform to support the data as a product, and in-house experiment service development, and velocity to manage all our infrastructure as code. While our business strategy drove the previous stage, the next one evolved organically. Instead of waiting for direct business requests, we focused on the triggers of team evolution, well described in the team topologies book. During that time, we experienced the emergence of complex subsystems as part of business solutions. They scale up and transform into platforms. Let's look at the feed team, which provided personalized insights based on user body signals and behaviors. This team developed the user profile for their own needs. Over time, this service became central to personalization in general, and eventually it evolved into the foundation platform, which aimed to cover all company needs and provide data science and machine learning as a service. The same was with the content development. As the number of different types of content grew and went beyond one team, we formed a platform to serve various teams' needs and optimize their experience. It was essential for us to create platforms not to solve particular problem of one specific team. To validate it, all our platforms follow the mesh principles, such as domain-oriented ownership, platform as a product, self-serve infrastructure, and technical governance. While platforms helped scale developer efficiency, we faced a new challenge. Teams became too independent from a product perspective. What does it mean? Let's take, for example, secret chats, which allowed users to discuss intimate topics and seek support from the Flow community. This feature was so detached within Flo that some users download the application only for secret chats, while others never used the community feature at all. And of course, this wasn't ideal, as we wanted to reinforce the synergy between different parts of the application to better serve our users' needs. We restructured several teams and departments to address this issue, merging them into a single stream that supported a holistic user journey. Then we created dedicated teams for our main mods: track, trying to conceive, and pregnancy. These teams focus on personalization and transitions between different application paths based on user goals. We also embedded content specialists and medical advisors into some engineering teams to enhance collaboration, similar to the market fit stage. At this stage, the philosophy of platform teams also evolved. It became crucial for them to focus on clients. Our platform shifted their attention from introducing new capabilities to adoption. One example of this shift was the strategy of data quality, where the data platform team provided guidance on how to do it at scale. Previous stages impacted several domain teams with channel capabilities. We named channels the part of the application where users consume multiple content items of the same type. For example, the feed team mentioned earlier had stories and content library channels. By creating systems for content release and personalization, we enabled platform level management. Other domain teams underwent similar transformations: a virtual assistant team with fully customizable chatbots, and a communication team with mobile pushes. Over time, personalization extended beyond content. We introduced widgets to navigate users across the application and take action, for example, to log symptoms. As the complexity of widget grew, we introduced abstractions based on SLO, ensuring channel resilience to domain-related issues. The interaction model with these teams also changed when the number of supported mods increased, essentially transforming these teams into platforms. Let's recap this stage. We went through the following steps: embedding subject matter experts in teams and building platform capabilities by continuous improvement, introducing self-service for everyday use cases and providing facilitation for unique ones, developing platforms with API and interaction models based on SLO to ensure resilience. So, what about the current stage? Today we have five platform teams in a more traditional sense: infrastructure, data, mobile, content, and data science foundation. Additionally, we have three platform teams that form our ecosystem of channels: chatbots, stories, and feeds. These teams complement each other and comprise more than half of our engineering forces. Also, we formed a high level development strategy. We need different types of teams for different goals. We build mods by platform capabilities and feature orchestration. Channels link domains and mods, creating an ecosystem and a platform fashion. It's time to recap the full story. We went through several stages of growth, each driven by a mix of planned and organic changes. Initially, the focus was on market fit without any platform investment. Super App strategy led to the formation of teams working on various domains. First platform teams supported independent development and experimentation. The growth of platform teams happened organically, from domain-specific solutions to platform capabilities. A planned change to create a holistic user journey resulted in the reorganization. Then channels teams underwent platform transformations. And finally, the ecosystem emerged with various platforms working together to build a comprehensive application. Our high level strategy helps to scale development in the following way: build mods by platform capabilities of channels, and integrate new domains based on SLO through channel widget contracts. In conclusion, I hope you found our insights and experience valuable as you navigate your own platform development journey. Thank you so much for joining me and have a nice day.